Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pastry bags on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Keenpioneer 16-inch disposable cake decorating bags. These clear plastic bags have good thickness and flexibility, and they come in an easy-to-use dispenser box. They are available in 2 sizes, 10 inches and 16 inches for larger projects, and since they're disposable, cleanup is easy. If you're doing decorating work with many different colors or products, time saved in not having to clean or change bags in between is substantial. The downside is their ecological footprint and lack of artisan feel. Bag material, plastic, bag size, 10 and 16 inches, bag count, 56, reusable, no. What we like. Dispenser packaging for easy use. Compatible with most frosting tips and couplers. Extra thick bags for durability. What we don't like. Doesn't come with accessories. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kasmoire piping bags and tip set, 24 pieces. This pastry bag set has just about everything you need to create and decorate memorable treats. It comes with 6 sturdy and reusable pastry bags, 2 12-inch bags, 2 14-inch bags, and 2 16-inch bags. It also has 6 metal icing tips for different decorating styles, 6 icing bag couplers, and 6 ties to keep things secure and mess-free. Since the TPU plastic bags are flexible and durable, they can handle anything from meringue to heavy frosting. Bag material, TPU, bag size, 12, 14, and 16 inches, bag count, 6, reusable, yes. What we like. Durable, reusable bags. Plenty of accessories. Easily cleaned. What we don't like. Directions not included. Number 3. Our third best pick is Weetiee 12-inch tipless piping bags. This design is specifically made for cookie decorating, though it's also adaptable to other uses. The 12-inch size is great for detailed work, and the weight of the bag is light enough so that heavy pressure isn't required. The opening is round and can be cut to any size desired, and the outside surface has a slight texture for an enhanced grip to prevent slippage. This package includes 112-inch disposable piping bags, 1 scriber needle, and 2 tip clips. Bag material, plastic, bag size, 12 inches, bag count, 100, reusable, no. What we like. Textured surface for easy gripping. Comes with 2 clips and a scriber needle. What we don't like. Fibers catch on the scriber needle while cleaning. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wilton Disposable 16-inch decorating bag. Clear plastic polyethylene is nice work with, and these bags are sturdy enough to wash by hand and reuse a few times. The 16-inch size is large enough to easily handle a large batch of ingredients, but because they're disposable, they can be cut down in size for smaller batches. If you like to have pastry bags in the kitchen for general use when the mood strikes, these are wonderful and take up very little storage space. The package includes 12 16-inch decorating bags. Bag material, plastic, bag size, 16 inches, bag count, 12, reusable, a few times. What we like. Recyclable. Comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Great for beginner bakers. What we don't like. May struggle with thick fillings. Pricey for a lower bag count. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Wilton Assorted size disposable decorating bags with ties. This set gives beginners 2 sizes of decorating bags, 16 inches for large tasks and 12 inches for small to medium tasks. The tie tops help keep the bags closed while you work, so there's one less thing to worry about. This pack includes 24 12-inch and 24 16-inch disposable pastry bags, plus 12 reusable cinch ties. Bag material, plastic, bag size, 12 and 16 inches, bag count, 48, reusable, no. What we like. Comes with reusable ties. Microwave safe. Recyclable. What we don't like. a little narrow at the top. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.